Hi, everybody. Welcome, my friends, back to Niecy's Closet. We're going to do a unveiling of a package that I received yesterday. I was going to open it yesterday, but I said, nah, I'll save it for my friends. So here we go. I'm so excited. And before I show you what it is I purchased, the reason why I purchased this yarn is because I'm gonna make more of that boomerang shawl. Because it was so quick and easy, I said, let me make a few more. Ooh, wow. All right. Okay. I bought this from the Herrschners company. Look at all the pretty yarn. Okay, first of all, I purchased this roll with it cake yarn, and it's called, let's see, oh, okay, this is called Curtain Call. See the beautiful colors in it? And the reason why I purchased this color was because I already had one and I wanted to make more of the boomerang shawls. And I started making a new boomerang shawl. That's why I purchased one more, because you need two. I also purchased this cake, and it's called Theater, which is another boomerang shawl I want to make. But I'm not sure if I'm going to make a different boomerang shawl. I'm going to show you another way of making a boomerang shawl that's lacy. I bought two, and it's, let's see, it's 100% acrylic, and it's 389 yards. And I tell you, two of these is perfect. If you want to make it like just a scarf, then you only need one. Or maybe a little longer, 1.5. But I like my boomerang shawls really long because it gets so cold here in New Jersey. I like to wrap myself around so warm and cozy so that when I go outside, that my neck isn't visible. All right, so the next thing I purchased, I've never seen this yarn before, and it's Premier Anti-Pilling DK Colors. See I like the red, the burnt red. It looks like black and gray. And I think it's going to make a beautiful boomerang shawl, but I'm going to make a different type. It won't be this type. I'm going to show you another way. And of course, I bought two, and I'm going to show you a different way to make a boomerang shawl. I know you're excited to learn that because people seem to like the first one I just showed you, and I'm so happy about that. I want to find another one that's easy for my beginners to make. I didn't look to see what color this one is. Oh, okay. This is called newspaper. Back in my day, when I was a little girl, we had a newspaper called the Journal American. And it was a white newspaper with the black printing, but there was a thick red line at the top of the newspaper, just below the name of the Journal American. Oh my God, I'm going back to my childhood. Another cake is also the Premier Anti-Piling DK Colors. Anti-Pilling. Okay. Oh, I also see that these cakes are number 3s versus this roll with it, which is a number 4. Okay, I see that. I didn't realize that, but that's okay because I'm still gonna make a shawl with it. But
what's the difference between number 3 and number 4?
It's a little thinner. It's slightly thinner. It's like it's 3 strands of yarn instead of 4. It's 3 instead of 4. That's why. Oh, so the color of this is, oh, what color is this? Oh, This is called Raindrop. Okay, that's appropriate. Raindrop with the blue and the gray and the lighter gray, the dark. Okay, I can see this being Raindrop. The next one, as I started to say, is also 3 strands, and it's called, oh, Pinky Promise. Aww. And it has a lot of pink, some gray, and white. I like that. That's a cute name, Pinky Promise. Now, with this 3 ply, I'll probably use a H. I may use a H. Does it say an H? A H hook? Oh, it says a G. Okay, now see, now this is me. Although this says a G, I'm gonna use one size larger. I'm gonna go to an H because I like my, whatever I make, as far as scarves and shawls, I like my stitches just a little bit looser. I'm a looser crochet person anyway. Some are tight. I have a friend who crochets real small. So she'll ask me what hook I'm using. I'll say an I. And so for her, she'll use a J so that it comes out practically the same size as mine. But I'm probably going to use an H and not a G. And with these, with my roll with it, I'm going to use, what does this say? I just want to see what it says. It says, oh no, it says an I. And I'll probably use an I because that's what I did with the previous one you just saw and the one I'm making now. But stay tuned because I'm going to be making another type of boomerang shawl that's looser. I'm going to reveal a gift that my daughter gave me from Italy. She just returned from Italy. She asked me what I wanted, and I said, you know, it would be great if you could get me a crochet hook, okay? And then she goes, oh, Ma, she says, the store is closed, and it's not gonna, when it does open, I'll be heading for another destination, you know? So I said, okay, but it was a cute idea. But she did find me something from Rome, which I haven't seen yet, and I'm excited to show you. Da 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 da! Ooh, ooh, cotton. Ooh, okay, okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Okay, 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 okay. What does this say? Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where it's from. Merceria Alphys? Is that a Alfis?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm going to show you. All right. So she brought me 2 cotton yarns. And it's Baby Soft. Lana Gatto, made in Italy, Baby Soft. I'm going to make washcloths. I'm going to make washcloths because it's for a baby's skin. Although mine could be like that too. I love it. Very pretty with the blue, different blues and the off-white. Oh. Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Okay. I got a crochet. Oh, what does this say? ALOX. Alox. I guess that's the name of the hook. Oh, look how different they do it. Okay. They just say 5.5. Period. They don't say the letter, whether it's an H or an I. It's just strictly 5.5. And that's all you need to know in Italy, I guess. But thank you, my daughter. What else? Oh, I got something else.
Oh, those are 2 magnets you get to...
Oh, that's right. I wanted a magnet from Italy.
So you get to pick which one you want.
Well, of course I want this one. This picture frame one is cute too.
I'll take whichever one you don't.
Well, I want this one.
Okay.
Roma. I hope you enjoyed this segment I enjoyed it as well. I'm really starting to get used to being on camera. So until next time, keep crocheting. Bye now.